Yo, guys, had a big problem. In a rush, wanted to go somewhere and do something. Get there, my car tire is flat. Now what do? I have no spare tire. I have no jack, nothing. So I called my friend, and my friend told me that no, this is a very simple solution. Instead of giving you this, rather use these things. Now these are from a DIY tire fix DIY kit. So it's very simple, and my friend told me that it should be very simple. I've never done this before, but hopefully it works. Now this is the problem I'm facing. Just take a look. Flat tire, and there is the culprit. Screw right in. Now, big problem. Lucky for me, my garage is very close. It's about 5 minutes walk, so that's about 2 minutes drive. So I guess, let me get the keys. I guess I'll have to just drive there. Where did I put the keys? Let me check the keys.